Hey, Jay from Jay's Taking Tips back with another video. See by the title. Okay, so we have an unboxing today. We're going to do an unboxing and a little small review. I have the Fifine A6V. My previous mic and my boom arm got stolen with a lot of more of my equipment. I'll leave a link to the video describing what happened, how it got stolen and stuff. And I'll try to leave a link, see if I have the video of my previous mic and boom arm that I had and stuff. So you can take a look at that and see what I had and see what I'm going to. All right, let's get into this unboxing real quick. All right. So it doesn't look like we need scissors. Okay. Oh, there we go. Pretty nice. So, right here. All right, so we have a user's guide right here, and don't just toss these away. There's always something important in there. Down in the future, you'll find something, something goes wrong with it or something like that. Pretty much, you can look into your user's guide and try and fix the problem. So always keep these. I have a box, a drawer full of these. All right, packed kind of nice. So we have our cable here. See, USB-C, USB-A, okay, simple enough. And here's the mic itself. Let's see what else we have in here. And a little stand. Now, I'm not quite sure on this one if I'm going to get a boom arm. I saw one on Amazon for like $19, and I will be leaving a link in the description. Also to the Amazon affiliate program. If you want to pick up this and purchase it, you can use my link. It gives me a couple dollars or something like that, and appreciate it. All right, nothing else in the box, so we'll toss that to the side. All right, I will say that it looks nice, and this does have RGB on the mic. Once we get into the setup, we'll show you that. And it is plastic all around here. This is a your volume knob right here. Now, I read somewhere that it says the volume knob, this is the only way you can control your volume. You can't control it through third-party software. But I'm pretty sure I can control it through OBS. And we will be checking that out also. All right, so let's get this. Okay, we'll undo that a little bit. So we're gonna have this, I believe, sitting down like that. Let's get this out. And I never really tear my packages when I'm unboxing something, because I try to keep them just in case I want to return it. I would eventually like to get a better mic, unless this one really works out. But I would like to get something a little bit better in the future. And if that comes to be soon, then I'll still have this to return it. I do go to, if you follow the channel, you'll know I do go to the casino a lot. That's how I was able to repurchase my Xbox. I bought 3 Xboxes all at once after I got 2 of them stolen. So I was able to replace 3 of them. I was able to get 3 for a pretty good deal. They were actually on sale. Okay, so this is kind of flimsy. Let me see. Okay. Well, I can work on that and to adjusting it. But nevertheless, and it has that, I don't know how I like this, the little smiley face. I guess that's a brand logo, like a little logo for Fifine. There are items like that. But it sits nice. So I think from where I'm sitting in my chair here, I hope that it has a good gain. I can be able to pick up my voice, because that would be an ideal location to where I would have it. I don't want to be, right up on the mic. But here we go. This is the Fifine A6V. Did I say that right? Hold on. Yeah, Fifine A6V. What we're going to do, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come back, and we're going to get this plugged in, hook it up to OBS, and see how it sounds, okay? All right, guys, we're back. So just wanted to show you the setup, how it looks with the RGB. Now, I haven't read the instructions, so don't quote me on this, but I don't believe there's any way to adjust the RGB I would like it just to be green to match the aesthetics of my setup, but I think it just flashes on and off like that. But I wanted to show you how far this is away. We're going to do some different camera angles here. I wanted to show you how far it would be from where I'm sitting. So there's my computer chair. I'll be sitting, let me push it up, about right there, and that's far away. So I've already hooked this up to OBS, and we're gonna do a couple things here. So let me adjust the camera, and we're gonna come around here. Hope I can get this angle correct. Okay, so if you can see, let me see if that's good enough right there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down and have the distance away, distance to the mic to show you how far I'll normally be sitting and the pickup on the mic and how good it is. All right. So if you can see right up there, oh, I have it on. Sorry, I have it on monitor. So we take that off. So echo in there. Okay, monitor off. But as you can see, if you look right up there, see it's a Fifine mic. We have that hooked up. And down below, I still haven't deleted it. I had Razer Siren, I believe the mic was. That's one of my mic that got stolen, so I just haven't deleted that out of my OBS yet. Fifine mic. So I'm sitting over here. You can where I will show you where I was sitting at, and you can see that it has pretty good pickup. I was concerned about that because it doesn't have a boom arm where I can have it right up against my mouth. I would have to. It's going to be this far away from me when I'm recording. Okay, so that's pretty good. It has pretty good pickup on there. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to once again pause the video, and then I'm going to come back hooked up to OBS, and I'm going to do a recording with the mic so we can listen to some of the recording quality. Okay, be back in a second, guys. This is giving me a pretty good setup. I think I am still recording. Never mind. So I'm still recording. But I'm recording this video also. And I will put this at the end of the video. I will link this in there, the OBS recording, so you can hear the quality of the mic. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and link that in there. Then we'll be right back. Hey, everyone. What's going on? It's Jay from Jay's Tech and Tips. So now we're back on the recording, and I'm making this recording to show you the quality. Now I do have the gain adjusted on the bottom of the mic. I have the gain adjusted to about a quarter percent of the volume. And as you can see from up top, if you're, well, the camera's not showing that anymore, but I'm going to, it still has, it's not peaking in red, but it gets pretty good pickup. And this is the normal voice that I talk in when I'm going to be streaming or recording or anything like that. So this is giving me a pretty good setup. I think I am still recording. Never mind. So I'm still recording, but I'm recording this video also, and I will put this at the end of the video. I will link this in there, the OBS recording, so you can hear the quality of the mic. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and link that in there, and then we will be right back. All right, guys, so there you have it, the Fifine A6V. Pretty good mic. So far, I like the quality of it. Now, I haven't adjusted any settings or anything, but if you notice the difference, and like say I'm recording this through my Galaxy 24 right now, and the quality of the video that I actually recording in OBS doesn't sound too bad. I don't think so myself. So anyway, guys, hey, if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. It helps me out with my watch hours. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow. There will be a link for this to purchase on from Amazon. I don't remember the price right now, but it was a really good deal for a beginner mic if you want to get into some streaming or things like that. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you already are a subscriber, don't forget to turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.